Want to know about the fascinating world of embedded systems? Want to know how embedded technology is different from a general-purpose computer system? Hello, and welcome to Spicules Technologies, companion in your innovation journey. Embedded systems are at the heart of our modern technological advancements, playing a crucial role in various industries such as automotive, healthcare, aerospace, and consumer electronics. These systems are essentially a combination of hardware and software designed to perform specific tasks. Embedded systems make our lives easier, safer, and more connected. While general-purpose computer systems are designed to be versatile and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Embedded systems are unique in their ability to carry out tasks in real time, without relying heavily on user input. They are specifically engineered to be dependable, efficient, and small in size, often functioning with limited resources. In contrast, general-purpose computer systems are not always designed to operate in real time. This presents unique challenges for engineers, as they must carefully optimize performance, power consumption, and reliability. At Spicules Technologies, our engineers have a strong understanding of hardware design, low-level programming, and system integration. They work with microcontrollers, sensors, actuators, and communication protocols to create intelligent devices that interact with the physical world. As technology continues to evolve, embedded systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, incorporating artificial intelligence, machine learning, and internet connectivity. The possibilities are endless. At Spicules Technologies, we have expertise in this exciting field, where innovation and creativity come together to shape the future of technology. If you have any questions or want to discuss more about embedded systems, feel free to reach out to us at info@spiculestech.com. Visit our website www.spiculestech.com. Let's connect and embark on this incredible journey together.